3,000 words is the number of words that you need to be able to speak English. 3,000 words. But how can we understand? How can we learn these 3,000 words? The best way is a method that's called comprehensible input. It's when you see something like this map behind me and you associate it with the word. Let's look at an example. What's this? This here. This is a water heater. Yes, a water heater. And we use the water heater to heat up the water. And when water is heated, it comes out of the faucet. It runs out of the faucet. And do you remember? What's this behind me? It's a water heater. Yes, water heater. And that's the power of comprehensible input. You can use what you see in everyday life to learn English. And today, I'll be taking you around my apartment to learn English more naturally and fluently. All right, the washing machine. And on the washing machine, we have knobs. See, this is a knob. You can turn the knob right to turn on the machine. See, it's on. The machine is on. And you can turn off the machine by turning the knob left. That's how you clean these dirty clothes. You see, take the clothes from the laundry basket and you put it inside the washing machine. And that's not all that's in the kitchen. See here, this is a dish rack. You take dirty dishes, you wash them, clean them, and you put them inside the dish rack. And this, behind me, this is a stove. Yes, it's a stove. A stove. And we use the stove to heat up food. You can take a pan or a pot and heat up your food. You can cook it. And this here is a kettle, and you use a kettle to heat up food. Yes. And in this video, I'll be saying words like heat up several times. And this here, it's a couch. You can down on the couch and you can watch TV on the couch, or you can even sleep on the couch. And this here is a table, and there are 4 chairs around the table. And this here, this is a heater. It's a heater. And this heater, see, I'm close to the heater. It's hot. I'm hot. And if I move away from the heater, it's cooler. It's fresh. It's cooler. See? Closer. Ah. I'm hot. I'm hot. And further away, it's a lot cooler. And this here, this is a shower head. Shower head. See, if we turn on the water, see, turn on the water runs out. See, it runs out. It runs out of the shower head. The shower head. And we use the shower head We use the shower head to take a shower when we're dirty. If you smell, take a shower and you will smell better. And here is my bed. It's my bed. And my bed right now, it's not made. My bed is not made. My wife might get angry. 1 second. And now, voila, and now the bed is made. It's made. This is where you lie down at night, lay your head on the pillow. See this? My head, it's on the pillow to go to sleep. And behind me, see behind me, that's my garden. That's my garden. And there's one big window. See, behind me, there's a window. And you see those two right here, this is a curtain. See? It's a curtain. And we can open the window to go outside to the garden. But we're gonna close the window, lock it, locked. Now it's locked. Nobody can come inside. Nobody can get inside. And you see this here? This here is a nightstand. You can put a speaker. See this? It's a GBL speaker on your nightstand, or maybe a remote control on your nightstand. This remote control goes with my projector. You see the remote control, see, it goes with the projector. See, I can't even speak. It goes with the projector. And these here on the remote, these are buttons to turn things on or off. All right, let's go back outside. You see, let's open the door. It's open. Let's go back outside to the garden. See here? This is a patio. Some patios are made of wood, some tiles. This is patio. And these are patio chairs. See? Some nice patio chairs. All right, and thank you guys for watching the video. But wait, if you're wondering, this behind me, this is a bookshelf. So if you like the video, please subscribe, like the video also. And if you learn a lot of new English words and phrases today, I will see you in the next video. Peace.